Good morning, everyone. Today, I will going to present to you and explain the two categories of fathers. We have the weak fathers and the strong fathers. So, in your own idea and perspective, what can you say? Or are you familiar with these words presented each category? We have the yell, the spunk, drink alcohol, take misbehavior personally, set a bad example, ignore the children, punish, don't listen, and demand obedience. I know that you have a background knowledge about these words. I know that at the back of your mind you have now an idea what are all these words is all about. Now let us transfer to the second category. We have the strong father. Strong father. We have control their emotions, lead by example, practice what they preach, listen to their children, have patience, spend time with their children, don't spank. We have our super. We have understand skill will be kids, never yell, and show grace. Okay, yell means always gasagit, no? Mga papa nga, sige gasagit. Spank, yes, manampalong og asawa. Drink alcohol, sige inom. Okay? Wala na siya problema kung ibutang ra sa tiyan ay ra sa ulo. Okay? Take misbehavior personally, no, mamersonal. Set a bad example, kada sige kag sugo niya, ikaw sige ra kag lingkod. So that is a very bad example. As a father, you must lead. Ikaw dapat mo una. Ikaw may papa sa pamilya, ikaw dapat mo una. Ignore their children, no? Gibaliwala ang mga bata, no? To our single dad out there. Mhm. Punish, sige pamunal, no? Don't listen, dili maminaw, and the last word here is demand obedience, no? Demanding kaayo. So those are the weak fathers. Now let us transfer to strong fathers. We have control their emotions, na yung mga papa nga kadang nangisog pero para dili ra gyud kay lahi man gyud ang bata og kuan kanang growth og magsige po siyag tubo nga puno og kaisog, no? So as what I've mentioned, lead by example, no? So let us go back to control their emotions na yung mga manag-asawa nga mag-away dili ra gyud ipakita sa mga bata, no? Kay dili gid na siya maayo nga makita sa bata nga ang mga ginikanan gasining kahay kanunay kay maingon jud ang bata. Inani di ay ni ang future kung kuan ka na kung maminyo ko puhon inani po di ay. So history repeat by itself, no? So, dili gyud maayo. So, inana control their emotions. Mag-istorhanay sa kwarto, hinay ang tingog. Inana, napoy man nag-asawa nga, dili pa ugmaan ang problema. Tungod kay, matud pa, samtang gasalo pa lang ang adlaw. So, kinahanglan mo sidlak ang adlaw, wala na problema. Practice what they preach, no? Ga-practice ug unsa ilang pagtuob, base sa Biblia, no? Listen to their children, no? Kay dili sa kanunay panahon sakto ka, salikay amahan ka, salikay mama ka, salikay ginikanan ka, dili sa tanang panahon sakto pud imuha. You always listen to their children. Sometimes we commit mistakes, no? And we should admit that one. No? Children also can make mistakes and we should accept that one. No? Inana lang. Then have patience na ay taas nga pasensya. Spend time with our children. Kuyog ang mga bata, especially Domingo, manimba, pag magmanimba, mga unsa gawas. So, it's a sort of bonding time. Then, don't spank, no? Dili man ang palong. Understand kids will be kids. So, mayon po ng ubang mga gini ka na, pasagdairan na kay mga bata, ara na. So, time will come, nga ma-matured po na sila, they will learn also. And I would like to add on this one. that if your children don't listen to you, pasagdain na sila because at the age of 22, life will spunk them. What is the reality of life? How difficult life is. So in ana siya, no? You don't need to stress as a parent if you do your best to prove that or to teach your children what is good for for their future or for better future for themselves. And if they don't listen to you, then let them be, no? Never yell, dili man sagit and show grace, gapakita og kamaayo all the time, no? So that is very important. This is very important to take a look at here in the Strong Fathers. What are the words being presented? And we should follow this one. No? Dili man na siya kuan. Dili man na pag lost ang pagkaamahan, no? It is a duty or a responsibility. No? So once you enter into a married life, you have a full capacity of your duty and responsibility. No? So in ana siya. Did you follow? No? Dili sa ka ginikanan ka sakto ka kanunay. No? Dili sa kay you are the superior of the family. Sakto ka. Di na ka maminaw sa mga bata. So you should listen to your children. What is better, what is, what is good. Kay ana man na siya. Especially sa panahon karon nga medyo kuan na ang mga parents, uban nga maminaw gyud, napay uban nga dili pag gyud, no, nga ako ang ginikanan, ako may sakto no matter what is your decision. Ako'y masunod ka, ako'y ginikanan. So, there are a lot of lapses and errors, especially if the parents cannot fulfill their duties and responsibilities. Sumusukwahi dyan ang bata. So, mauna siya. Usually, mahitabo nga mo rebuild gyud ang bata if you do not fulfill your duties and responsibilities, musukol gyud siya. Mauna siya. But for you, you are doing your best. Because that is also the best thing that you can do. Pero not enough, no? So ang bata musukwahi, mahita siya iyang kaugalingong pamaagi para mabuhi siya and everything. No? If you do not fulfill, no? Muna siyang number 1 ana, pobre ka, di na ginikanan ka. So since di naman nimo kaya pagpa-eskwela pag ma-high school, so mag-working ang bata for himself or for herself. So in ana siya. So since naiuban, mahunong ang eskwela, it's because you don't give allowances, you don't give clothing, ug naay mga balaran sa school, di po ka mo amot, whatever, unsay bay mga kuan kulo ka bildo or whatever, no? Whatever reasons you have. So in ana siya, it can lead to a negative relationship to a parents and a children and to the children also. So inana siya. So that's all for today. I hope that you've learned something. I know that we cannot change our attitude. I know that we cannot change our characters. No? Kay atoan naman ang kinaiya. But if we try to make a twist, no? Kani atong kinaiya, wala man siya makausap, ato aman jud na. It's only you can change that one. Okay? So that's all and good morning.